Huh?
Yo! Let me tag with you to the station, Hawks.
Mirko, you surprised me. I mean, I don't mind, but it's not my fault if any weird rumors start to flow, okay?
Weird rumors?
Like if we're dating or something.
What? You get soaked if you don't come closer, you know?
Mirko, it's touching me, you know?
Don't sweat the small stuff. Ain't it better than getting wet?
No, that's not what I mean. After that, Hawks made sure to always bring 2 umbrellas with him. And as expected, the rumors flowed. Huh? So you're here again? Good thing I brought 2 umbrellas today. Really? I'm so happy. So, did your heart skip a beat? Sorry to say, Dabi, but I ain't got no umbrella for you. Aren't you being a little too cold? Come on, let me under. Don't just enter as you please.